Good afternoon, my dear students. I am Dr. Deepak More, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sanjani Mahavidyalaya, Chapoli. Today we are going to study about unit number 2, morphology, that is word formation process and practice of examples, part number 4 or remaining part of our morphology. Example number 29. Example number 29. Slowly. 29 example number slowly. Slowly is uh, this word is divided into two parts, slow and ly. Ly is a class changing derivational suffix, and slow is adjective root word. The next, loneliness. Loneliness is a noun. This word is divided into two parts, that is ess and lion. Lion is a noun, it is a stem word and it is a root word. Then ess or ess is a class maintaining derivational suffix. Then 31, undrinkable. Undrinkable is adjective. Undrinkable, un is un. Un is a class maintaining derivational prefix. Drinkable. Drinkable is an adjective, stem word and adjective. Then this word is divided into two parts. Drink. Drink is a verb. It is a stem word and it is a root word. And able, able, class changing derivational suffix. 32, dishonest. Dishonest is an adjective. Dis, dis is a class maintaining derivational prefix. Then honest. Honest is a stem word. It is an adjective. It is a root word. Then 33, inexperienced, that is adjective. In is class maintaining derivational prefix. Then experienced is a stem word and it is an adjective, experienced. This word is divided into two parts. Experience. Experience is a stem word, root word and noun. Then ed. Ed is a class changing derivational suffix. The next, example number 34, anti-national. Anti-national, adjective. Anti is a class maintaining derivational prefix and national is an adjective, so it is a stem word. The national is divided into two parts. Number 1, stem, root word, nation. Nation is a noun. Then al is a class changing derivational suffix. Then arch enemy. Arch enemy. 35. It is a noun. Arch enemy is divided into two parts. Arch is a class maintaining derivational prefix and enemy. Enemy is a stem word, noun, root. Cooperation. Cooperation is a noun. Cooperate and ion. Class ion is a class changing derivational suffix and stem word is a cooperate verb. Then again, cooperate is divided into two parts. Co is a class maintaining derivational prefix and operate is a verb, stem word, it is a root word, operate. Enslavement. Enslavement is a noun. Meant, we can remove firstly meant also. Enslave is a stem word and verb. Meant, class changing derivational suffix. Then again enslave is divided into two parts, en and slave. En is a class changing derivational prefix. Slave is a noun, stem word and root word. Example number 38, co-pilot. Co-pilot is a noun, and co-pilot is divided into two parts, co and pilot. Pilot is a steam word, root word, and co is class maintaining derivational prefix, means pilot is a noun. There is no changing pattern in his category. That is why co is to be regarded as a class maintaining derivational prefix. Then 39, maladjustment. Maladjustment is a noun. Firstly, we remove the first prefix, also mal, mal. Mal is and mal. This word is divided. Firstly, this word is divided into two parts: adjustment and mal. Adjustment is a noun word, steam word and noun word. Adjustment, noun. Mal is a class maintaining derivational prefix. Then adjustment, again, is divided into two parts, that is adjust and meant. Meant, adjust is a verb. Adjustment is a noun and adjust is a verb. It is a steam word. It is a root word. And meant is class changing derivational suffix. Then example number 40, pseudo capitalist. Pseudo capitalist is a noun word. This word is divided. Firstly, this word is divided into two parts. First part indicates pseudo, and second part indicates capitalist. Pseudo is a class maintaining derivational prefix, and steam word capitalist. Capitalist is a noun. Again, capitalist is divided into two categories. These are to be as follows: capital and ist. Capital is a noun. There is no changing pattern in his category. That is why ist. Capital is a noun, capital is a steam word, capital is a root word. And ist is class maintaining derivational suffix. Then 41, example number 41, imposition. Imposition is a noun word. This word is divided into two parts. These are impose and ition. Ition. Impose is a verb. It is a steam word and it is a root word. Ition indicates class changing derivational suffix because imposition is a noun and impose is a verb. That is why there is a changing pattern in his category. That is why it may be said that ition is class changing derivational suffix. Is it understand, my dear students? Then again, there are some examples are remaining also. Then in the next period we shall continue the remaining part of morphological analysis. You may clear your concept and practice again and again, taking various examples on your notebook, and you do practice again and again such a manner. That is why. Is it clear? Yes. We shall continue our remaining part in the next period also. Be prepared, do study, and practice again and again about various words. Thank you. Thank you very much. Best of luck.